So let's look at rotors part 3. Sounds like a Godfather movie, doesn't it? But it's not, it's rotors. What we're going to do in this video is look at sort of coning angles. So how we're going to simulate the rotor blades coning up or tilting back and forward. Again, we can do that quite easily in PowerPoint. You can see one of the issues we do have with graphical elements within PowerPoint is when they're put on the slide, the rotation point is always in the middle, okay? Because you can see when I rotate that blade, it will rotate from the center, and that's how PowerPoint calculates the rotation center of any graphical element. Now for us, that doesn't work because we want the rotation to be from that point in the middle, by the hub there, not in the middle. Now, there is ways of getting around that, and there is a tutorial on pivot points on the tutorial page. Have a look at that one. But to make it easier, what I've done is I have developed a graphic with the rotation point already set up for you. So what I'm going to do is just quickly delete those blades there because I don't want them. And I'm just going to go to Insert, Pictures, navigate to my blades, and I can see one which is labeled Blade Animation. If I bring that one in now, you can see once I resize it, just get it in the middle. It's been manufactured so that the the pivot point, let's get my English right, is in the middle. Okay, so that will work a lot better for us. So that makes it a lot more easier for you to kind of just get your head around the pivot points and without too much pain. Just size that one slightly, so just get out of the way. I'm going to select that one and position it by the hub like so. I'm going to just also copy that one as well, so Control C to copy, Control V to paste. So that gives me my second blade, and what I'm going to do is just with the format tab opened, I'm just going to go rotate and flip horizontal, so you can see now the blades are now opposite and now in position. So you can see now if I was to select that rotor, you can, when I move it, the pivot point is in the correct position now. So what I can do is I can position those blades wherever I want now, to extreme angles or coning angles. So that's how we're going to animate that. It's quite simple. So animation of these blades again is very simple. What we're going to do is just quickly select the front blade, go to animations, and again we're going to go for our good old rotation. So where are we? Rotation, 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 spin. So we're going to spin there. You can see it doesn't quite spin the right way. So effect options, and all I'm going to do is, for example, this one is going to go clockwise, and all I want it to do is do, I don't know, 15 degrees. I think I'll probably do it. So put 15 degrees in there, press enter to get that to go into the system, and we're just going to put smooth in, smooth start like that. Timing, let's make it 1 second, just to make it a little bit more well, what am I trying to say? I have no idea, but anyway, you can see that moves up a bit too much of an angle, but it's not too bad. So if I select that one there and just select my animation painter and select the blade there, it goes in the wrong direction, but it just saves me a couple of clicks really. So if I go select options, what I'm going to do is go counterclockwise, and I'm going to just select that one like that. Okay, so now that will go up. I'm just going to make that one with previous. So now if I select F5 and press click, see the rotors will start animating, and now I can simulate a coning angle. See, that's kind of a little bit big really. You'll find I think you've just seriously overtalked the engines, but there we go. You can see that's how we would do that one. So to simulate for example, an angle of disc change, it's very simple. We just go to effect options again, and if we do counterclockwise, you get the idea now. Shift F5. You can see now the blades will rotate. Bit too big. You want to make yours a bit more subtle, but you can see the concept of moving the blades to tilt the blade coning angle and to tilt the disc left and right. So hope you found that interesting and helpful. As always, any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and I'll see you in the next video.